Go to Google. Let's start downloading MySQL in your Windows. Go to Google and type MySQL. Then click on MySQL. Then click on Downloads. Then this type of page will come. Then click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Then click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Drag this down. Select. You can see Microsoft Windows written here. 8632-bit. Here we have 288.6M. So download. Click on download. Second download. Then no thanks. Just start my download. Click on no thanks. Just start my downloads. Then you can see installation is started. So MySQL installer community. Open this. This will take some time. Then select full. Select custom. Then click on MySQL server. Click on MySQL server 8. Click on first. Click on this arrow. MySQL server. And again go to application. Select MySQL workbench. Select first. Then click on this arrow. Then again go back. Then click on MySQL shell. MySQL shell. First select first line. Then click on this arrow. Then server, workbench, and shell. These three things we need. So here click on execute. So MySQL server, MySQL workbench, and MySQL shell will get installed in your PC. It's because we have click on custom. That's why. Because click on full, then it will get install all other application too. But we have select custom, so we can select our choices of option. MySQL server, MySQL workbench, and MySQL shell. After finishing installation, click on execute. Select next, next. Select next again. Use strong password. Recommended. Next. Give MySQL root password of your choice. And select next, next, next. Then execute. Click on finish. Next. Finish. can see my SQL shell, then MySQL workbench. Here, in MySQL workbench, you can see local instance. If you click that and you have whatever password you have set, just write down the password, save password, and OK. So that's how you can install your workbench. In this workbench, we will practice. So installation is finished. You can see MySQL server, MySQL. So that's how you can we will create our database and we will do practice. So that's it. Thank you.